Hi, this is Amazing Kent. Now, if you learn something, you have to share it out because if there's an input, there's no output. It will works. So let's begin, right? Table.group in Microsoft Docs, table.group. What does that mean? You say group tables and so on, and it has the syntax and a very detailed remarks, even as example. So this example is great. So we're gonna work on that, right? So let's hop to this. Um, Now what you do is that I actually have modified this table dot form and create this list. So I have this list. So it's just simple. I just copy this and assuming that there's nothing here, right? So assuming there's nothing, so we have to use this code to click on this enter buttons, right, to create this table. So once we have these tables, right, we can do a grouping. What are groups and find out the total sales, right, which is represents this item here, list dot sum, right, list dot sum. So how to do that? Let's come back here. So go to group by, choose advanced. No, it's just basic will do, right? We group by the customer ID. So and then here I'll find the sales. And here I'll find sum based on the column of price. So we add everything on the sum for the same customer ID, right? So let's click OK. And that's a sum, right? And that is what it says table.group the source, right? For from the previous steps, and the key is customer ID. And then we have a list right here, and the new column is called a sales column, and it has a list. They apply this aggregate functions called list.sum on the price column, and the final result is a number. Okay, so that's one, right? So now let's just close this. Do again. We go for group by, and now we go to advanced. And now I want to do by customer ID, but I want to list down the list of items that the customer buy, and I want to know the number of transactions as well, right? So transactions count, and I click add aggregate, and I choose the items bought by the customer, and I use the all list, and I click OK. So I have three items. What are they, right? These are the three items right here. See right here. Okay, so these are the three items, and I'm gonna go here. I'll change a little bit, right? I want something from the items column and turn this table into a list because I'm only interested in one column, and enter. There you are, right? And I click on these buttons. I choose extract it to new rows. Well, that's not true, right? I should go for this. Extract the value by a comma and click OK. There. Yes, that's it. So we can do many things with the tables.transform column, table.groups, right? So do watch this several times. You get a better understanding, right? The best thing is that you create your own data, right? So you have this list right here, right? Copy this down and then paste it here. You gotta understand what is table.group. And thanks for watching, right? Hey, remember, if you think you're amazing, you believe you're amazing, and you keep learning one step at a time, one day something one day you become a master in your chosen field. Thank you. I wish you well.